dog?
I'm looking at the dog.
He doesn't like being videotaped without the express consent of his agent. Poo? You wanna go try and poop in the snow? Let's go, poopies! Maybe I'll get my camera screen.
He has to poop, Danny.
Nick and I are about to take Bailey out to poop in the blizzard. He looks like he really has to go. I don't know if he's going to be able to walk out the door, though. Look, he's ready. He's got to go. Are you getting this? Oh, it's not that bad. We were expecting more. Go. Yay! Hey! Hey Nick, inside the door there's a thing called a chuck it. Can you hand it to me instead of ball? Broken it.
This is like lacrosse.
For dogs. Ready? I threw it.
It's gone. He lost it.